How to mock a method return value of a class. I want to mock. I tried this. It does not work. The print statement should be true, which it is not.
You can set arbitrary attributes on mocks. If you want an arbitrary attribute on a mock, just make up a name and set it equal to something. If you want an arbitrary method, make up a name, and set the value of its .return_value to something. Details. The @mock.patch, os.stat, decorator is mocking os.stat, the constructor method of the stat class. os_stat.return_value by default returns a new mock object instance that will be substituted for the constructor method's return value, the stat object instance, in the scope of def test, which includes the nested function call to original_func. That os.stat object that you replace with os_stat.return_value object has attributes, including st_size, and it is that attribute that you want to set the value of on the mock. Assigning it the way you have done works, but note that calling return_value attribute on an existing mock already returns a mock, by default, unless you set it to some value, so setting it to mock, st_size equals 35, is not necessary.
This seems to work.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.